implementation of the scheme is quite selective, and it seems that this government, they are trying to introduce these schemes in such a way to deprive the rights of a duly elected representative. And so I feel sad that as an elected representative of the people of Nongkrem constituency, we are being bypassed in the implementation of various schemes. When it comes to CMSDF, we are yet to receive sanction from the government right from 23, 24, 24, 25. And I'm still awaiting for the CMO office to approve the scheme. And when it comes to CM housing schemes, it seems that all these schemes are being designed, to provide assistance only to people that are either related or connected with the party in power. So I feel this is an insult to the electorates of Nongkrem constituency who have elected us to this house with the expectation that we will be able to implement various schemes under the government of Meghalaya. So therefore, sir, I don't know what to say, whether the decision of the government to have various schemes that precedes with the word Chief Minister is to undermine those constituencies that are not represented by the party in power. But I think they should not forget that we are duly elected by the people of the constituency. So, which is why I feel that the announcement of various schemes that precede with the word Chief Minister is only to ensure that all the schemes revolves around the Chief Minister, and anyone who can avail these schemes will have to be either related or connected with party in power. So, and we may consider that this may be an attempt to abuse and misuse power.